गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आज आपण प्रिपेरिंग फॉर अन इंटरव्ह्यूची आपण तयारी कशी करायची यावर आपण बोलणार आहोत. Before it, let us see some of the images. How preparing for an interview, how to prepare before an interview. Just we will also see once again these images. Look at interview panel, top interview skills, balance. One has to keep the balance, preparation, punctuality, think before speaking, speak clearly and cohesively and calmly. You have to be very calm and cool, not extreme calm and cool, but balance. Confident, not arrogant. Overconfidence is often converted into arrogance. So you should keep the track where you are right now. Your presence of mind must be there, where, in which context, how you have to respond. That is presence of mind. Listen well. Gratitude. Thank you. Very few words, but it expresses your gratitude, your sincerity, your courtesy. सौजन्य. Research, know your CV. Two-way. The interviewer, job description, location, first impression, your outfit, your phone. Turn your phone off. You don't want any interruptions. Very easy thing. Very making a good first impression can have a big impact. Dress in professional, smart clothing. First impression. Pre-interview, the interviewer find out who you will be meeting and get their full name and job title. LinkedIn is a great tool to find out more information about the interviewers. Job description. Think about how your experience would benefit the company and be prepared to give examples. Location. Ensure you know where the interview is being held, how you are getting there, and how long it will take to get there, including traffic. Location. You must know location. Otherwise, if you don't know, it may require a lot of time and you may miss the interview. Post interview follow up. This is very important. Follow up. It's important to follow up your interview with an email of thanks and to stress your interest in the role. Top tips. Research. Look at the organization's website, social media and sites such as LinkedIn, Facebook. Know your CV. The interviewer will expect you to answer questions about anything that is written on your CV. So be prepared for any questions they may ask. Two-way. The interview is a two-way process. Think of some questions you want to ask the company too. Two-way. Top tips we have seen. Pre-interview, then post-interview. Okay, let us see preparing for an interview. The background idea is clear now with the help of images, pictures. Just observe. Therefore, I stop. Just observe the images. Let us see preparing for an interview. Preparation, any kind of interview on the part of organizer, on the part of employer, on the part of panels, or on the part of candidate or employee, not employer, employee or interviewer, interview घेणारा, interviewee, 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 interview देणारा म्हणजेच candidate, applicant. So let us see preparation for an interview on behalf of candidate. Analyze the job. One has to analyze, analytical capacity. So an important part of interview preparation is to take the time to analyze the job posting if you have it. As you review the job description, title, job description, any post, consider what the company is seeking in a candidate. You should know, suppose you are applying for the post of professor, assistant professor. So what is the job description? In which institution or in which university? Consider the university and the culture, working culture in the university, or what the university want from the candidate. Such things are very important. If you are applying for assistant professor in college, so what is the working culture? What the college seeks in the candidate? You should know very well. Now this is college situated in rural area, correct? So what the candidate, such kind of colleges who are situated in rural areas, they need to be sympathetic with the rural area students. They should create awareness. They should make them confident in English language. If suppose the interview is for English post, so make a list of the skills, knowledge, and professional and personal qualities that are required by the employer and critical for success in the job. So make a list of the skills, knowledge, and professional and personal qualities that are required by the employer and critical for success in the job. Make a match. Once you have listed the qualifications for the job, make a list of your assets. What do you have? Your asset, your location, your anchoring skill, your time management, stress management, whatever the skills which are required for a particular job, you must know what is your assets and match it with your job requirement. Create a list of up to 10 of your assets that match the job requirements. This might include skills, qualities, experiences, professional qualifications, abilities, computer skill, and knowledge bases. You can bring up some of these assets when you explain to the employer why you are an excellent fit for the job. Also think of examples from past work experiences that show you have these qualities. This way, if the interviewer asks you to describe a time when you demonstrated a particular skill or ability, you will be ready. So you must be psychologically, mentally ready, fit for a particular post. Anytime, any questions they may ask you, you have to be fit. So these kind of requirements in most of the university, most of the colleges, most of the private and public required these things. They have examinations, written exam, then interview. They have interview. Written examination is the other thing. But When written examination you pass, the written pre, main, those kind of examinations. After this, you have interview. So interview is very important. The rest of the written exam and marks, your score is evaluated and judged and given even enhanced with the figure called interview or success in the interview. You should research the company before you attend a job interview. It is important to research it, working cultures. Then if it is the interview in a college, about your about the college, about the staff, about the mission and vision of the college, you should know prior who is the founder, history of founder, what is the aim and objectives of the founder, about the particular institution. So company research any company or any educational institutions, research is critical part. It is very seriously, one has to take seriously, and one has to accordingly, one has to make answers about the institution. Then whatever the culture that is prevalent in the culture, in the university, in the college, or in any organization, whether it is suitable for you or not. Yes, it didn't it. Research is very important. If suppose the particular organization may not able to fulfill your expectations, do you want to join particular institution? No, my answer is no. For a concise understanding of the company, check out the company's website, specifically the About Us page. प्रत्येक ह्याच्यामध्ये अबाउट अस हे एक पेज असतं. कोणत्याही कंपनी घ्या, वेबसाईट तर असतेच, आणि ते हिस्ट्री वाचा, एम्स अँड ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह वाचा, किती एम्प्लॉईज आहेत, हे सगळं तुम्ही वाचन करायला हवं. You also should read the reviews of, from the clients, feedback, reviews from the client, and current and former employees. You should ask them, not only just read the pages of websites, but you should personally ask, call them, take their appointments, and discuss the things. Then it is the preparation. This is the preparation. Just reading about the institution, just it is not the research. This is research. And you should spend time tapping into your network to see if you know someone who can help you in an interview edge over the other candidates. These things is very important. Please keep in mind research. This is called research. You should do the research in all angle, and then you can attend the interview. Then and then you will come to know what the prospective employer want or seek from you. You will be mentally, psychologically prepared for it, and this is the key to success. Yeah, this is the key to success. Always remember, the interview skill is not only for exam purpose, but it is life skill. LIFE, this is life skill. It will fetch you name, fame, glory, and everything in society. Please, please, and please remember this. This is called hard work. It comes through hard work. And if you have hard work in research, you will get the score and you will be successful. Yes, it is not just in air I am telling you will be successful, but you will be successful confirmly. There is no any doubt in my mind. Practicing interview, you have to practice. As we say, practice makes man perfect. Practice, practice and practice. Try and don't try. Take the time to interview questions you will probably be asked. This will also help you calm your nerves, because you want to be scrambling for an answer while the interview is there. Practice interviewing with a friend or family members ahead of a time, and it will really help you what kind of questions may be asked. It is called mock interview. And please remember, mock interview is very important. It will nurture you, it will make you fit, mentally prepared for the interview. If you have such kind of things, activities before the interview, you will be free, calm and cool. So any type of any sort of questions if interview panel is raising, you can easily tackle those questions. Why? Because you have prepared the entire thing. Preparation. When preparation comes luck, you will get success. Preparation, luck, then success. Preparation, hard work, then last part, luck. Last part. Not only luck and then preparation. No, first preparation, hard work, then luck. Try to conduct this interview in same format as the real interview. For example, if it is a phone interview, ask a friend to call you to practice answering questions over the phone. If it is a panel interview, ask a couple of friends to pretend to be a panel. Are you getting the point? You should three, four friends. How many panels? How many people will be there in the panel? Suppose six. So assign particular task to your friend. This is you will be subject expert, other will be um, joint director, on other will be or any some people's VC nominee, two people will be vice chancellor nominee in case of college interview. And the same thing, two, three, five, whatever the panels are there. So ask them to cooperate you, and this is very important, that will prepare you. Such kind of activities event that will prepare you. If you are virtually, be sure that you are comfortable with the technology. Review common job questions and think about how you will respond, so you are prepared to answer. Are you getting the point? Practice interviewing. Get your interview clothes ready. Yeah, people are often known what they wear. Not 100% true, but real. No one can neglect this statement. Don't wait until the last minute to make sure for interview clothes are ready. Oh my god, this is very late. Have an interview outfits ready to wear at all times. So you don't have to think about what you are going to wear while you are scrambling to get ready for a job interview. I mean, if you want to, if you are preparing for an interview, these things should be ready so that you can save your time to prepare for it. So regardless of the type of job you are interviewing for, first impression should be great one. First impression. And you are dressing for an interview for a professional position, dress accordingly in business attire. If you are applying for the post of teacher, so your attire should be different. So preferred clothes for women, sari, Indian context, or salwar kameez or professional dress code. This is expected. If you are applying for a job in a more casual environment such as store or restaurant, it's still important to be neat, tidy and well groomed and to present a positive image to the employer. It is also important to think about your makeup and accessories when dressing for an interview. Yeah, this is also important. Get your interview clothes ready. Clothes, then accessories, dressing code, everything matters. Decide what to do with your hair. I mean, hairstyle. Style of your hair for job interview is almost as important as the interview clothes you wear. After all, the interviewer is going to notice everything about you, including your interview attire, hairstyle, and makeup, and you only have seconds to make a great impression. थोडे सेकंड्स काही सेकंड्स असतात काही थोड्याशा गोष्टी असतात त्याही देखील या ठिकाणी महत्वाच्या असतात मीडियम लॉंग हेअरस्टाईल फॉर इन्स्पिरेशन on what to do with your hair when you are interviewing. So, what to bring to a job interview? It's important to know what to bring and what not to bring to a job interview. Items to bring include a portfolio with extra copies of your resume, a list of resume, a list of questions to ask the interviewer, and something to write on and with. It is also important to know what not to bring, including your cell phones, or at least turn your phone off, a cup of coffee, gum, or anything else beyond yourself and your credentials. Expected. It's very, very important. Practice interview etiquettes. Proper interview etiquette are very important. Remember to greet the receptionist, your interviewer, and everyone else you meet politely, pleasantly, and enthusiastically. Your energy level matters a lot. Your body language, facial expressions, eye contact, gestures, posture, proxemics. During the interview, watch your body language. Yeah, shake hands firmly. If lady, so lightly, not firmly. If there is a lady in the panel, make eye contact as you articulate your points. Pay attention, be attentive, look interested. This is something you can work on in your practice interviews. There is also specific etiquette tips depending on the type of interview you have. For example, a lunch or dinner interview, panel interview, or phone interview, a video interview. Manner changes, but the core, the essence is the same. The more positive or impression you make, the better you will do during the job interview. Thank you. Thank you.